Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan Services. Today we'll be talking about mark attendance and attendance list, basically how you can manage your attendance without biometrics. So let's dive in. First of all, you'll go to human resources, and there you can see mark attendance and attendance list. So first of all, let's go to attendance list and see what's inside it. So here, once you click on it, you will be directed to this page where you can see all the information of the attendance your employees have been entering in the system. So you can see this employee have entered on this date at this time till this time and all those things, breaking time in, time out, basically, then breakout, break in, and all those things. And then on top there is this filter option to filter out if you want to look for any certain record. Then using this you can apply the filter. Using this you can refresh the whole table without refreshing the whole page, and using this you can generate a report of this table. Basically, you can combine this with the filter and generate certain reports as well. Then there is the other buttons, like here the plus button. It will direct you to mark attendance to give attendance. Then there is this capture location option. Basically this is the important one. This needs to be done only once, and it's the admins need to do it only once. So basically, once you click on the capture location, suppose you have clicked on the capture location from your office, so that location will be captured in the system. So if it will have a certain range. Suppose your employees are within that certain range, like the office premises, then only from within that range your employees can give attendance. Even if they want to time in, time out, break in, break out, they have to be inside the certain location. So basically that's how you can give attendance in Aasaan ERP Lite without having the need of any biometrics. So basically this is geolocation based. It will capture your location, and within this certain range your employees can give attendance. So that's how it works. So it's very easy, and you just have to do it once, and then it's set, the location is set, and then you can give and keep on entering the attendance. So there is the other buttons here, like you can see this is the attendance report button, clicking on which you will be directed to this page where you will select a certain date, then the employee name whose report you want to take out, then click on refresh. You can see all the details. Then you can also generate the Excel report from here itself. Then there is this employee timesheet report. So here if you select the employee, then select a certain date. I'll just go back here, and if I now click on generate, you can see all the days when that certain employee was absent. Basically this is the duration. So since they were absent, it's been shown as absent. So here if I go down, you can also see the holidays over here, and the day when they gave the attendance, then the total days, number of days they were present, number of days they were absent, and all those things. So this report is very useful to monitor your employees for different purposes. You can also download the Excel file from here itself. Now let's head back. So we'll go back to the list itself. So from here, since I have explained it all, so now let's go to the mark attendance page. So we'll click the add option here. So basically the employees will have to enter their mobile number or the ID. Suppose I'll show you one, since I have entered some of my employees here. So we'll select the employee ID here. Like for Natasha, this is the employee ID. Now we'll go to mark attendance back again. Here I'll give the ID. Then you can capture image. If it's not possible for you to capture the image, you can simply click on unable to capture. Then you will click on submit. So once if you are within that certain range, like I said previously, only then this page will come up, otherwise it won't. From here you can simply click on time in. So once it's done, it will direct you outside. So you can just keep on working and work, and then later on you can come back. If you want to take a break, then simply click on submit again. Then from here you can, if you want a break, you can click on breakout. If you want to end your work and say like I want to go home now, then you can simply click on timeout. Or if you want to cancel it, you can simply click on cancel. So I'll show you by clicking in breakout now. Then we'll be directed back here. Now if I'm done with my break and want to break in again, so I will give it again, then unable to capture, then submit. Here you can see break in. Then at the end, once you need to go home, then you can simply click again, then submit, then timeout. So basically that's how you can manage your attendance. Now if I go to attendance list, you can see for Natasha, the time has been mentioned here, the break-in time, everything basically is mentioned here. So basically that's how you can manage your attendance. It's very easy and efficient to use. I mean, since you don't need your biometric machine and all those things, you can manage everything from one place itself. You can also generate reports and all those things, so it's very easy and efficient to use. So I hope you all understood what I was trying to explain. If there is anything, any doubts, to mention in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching.